What is up you guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen channel, and in today's video we will go to Cleopatra's Pool in Turkey. Now the cool part about this pool is that you can bathe in the same waters in which Cleopatra once swam. Unlike the white water of the lower pools in Pamukkale, the pool favored by Cleopatra, Queen of Egypt, is pure, clear, warm water. Once it was surmounted by a Roman temple to Apollo, with ornate roof held up with gigantic columns. Just imagine how Cleopatra must have experienced this in its glory day. Today it's a Roman ruin, but no less spectacular for it. Immerse yourself in a pool and wade carefully around the fallen columns and other Roman artifacts as you soak up the health-giving properties of the water. There's also a water pump where you can taste the water, which tastes like lemon soda with Cleopatra's DNA.
Wait. See the column, look at. See the column.
Oh yeah.
Well, try to drink it now.
Wat drink it?
Yeah, drink double. Soda?
Yeah.
Just lemon. That's it.
Yeah. Oh, that's weird.
Perrier with lemon.
Yeah. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.